nga pala yung Call Financial. Ito lang yung i-search nyo. Itong Call Financial. Tapos guys, panoorin natin yung sabi dun sa PSE Index ng Pilipinas. Si Joey Rojas ng Eagle Equity. Panoodin natin. Mamaya maging ako sa Call Financial para i-check ko rin na TNT. Thank you.
Joined by Joey Rojas of Eagle Equities. Good afternoon, Joey.
Good afternoon, Rain.
The PSEI fell alongside Asian peers, but we had some foreign buying, 184 million pesos. And now that corporate earnings reports are done, where do you see the market going from now to the end of the year? And what catalysts or risk events are you looking to for direction?
Well, until the end of the year, I think we can expect the market to just drift. It will not zoom, just drift higher. Usually this time of the year, the market doesn't really make any big moves because, well, first, for the retail investor, they're now getting back to work. They're now starting to leave their work from homes offices and go back to their real offices. So there's now some time spent in their cars or travel, etc., etc. And then, of course, we're getting ready for the Christmas season where we more or less missed last year's Christmas. So this time we have to double up. Thirdly, it's mostly foreign funds should be liquidating at this time, or at least not adding too much because it's close to the end of the year already. Most often, the seasonal uptick is really in the first quarter. So we can expect a big move in the first quarter. But up to the end of the year, drift a little higher. Just drift a little higher.
So where do you see the PSEI ending the year at?
Well, we're at 7,003 now. Next target, hopefully, is around 7,600, 7,900, then 8,000. But with the problem for local investors really is that there's so many IPOs that if you remember Toy Story, the Disney Disney movie, right? Woody was the old toy. Buzz Lightyear's the new toy. With so many IPOs, the retail investors like to play with the new toys. So the old toys, which are in the index, don't move much.
Understood. Well, we'll get to those IPOs in a moment, but there is the Monetary Board meeting tomorrow. Has that been priced into the market already, or do you expect any surprises or hope for certain pronouncements that could move the markets?
No, I don't think there will be anything new. I think rates will remain steady, no easing and no tightening.
All right, hospital equipment distributor Medilines Distributors set its IPO price at 2 pesos and 30 centavos each, slightly lower than the originally planned 245, to raise as much as 1.9 billion pesos. What's your assessment of this pricing and the prospects for this IPO?
Well, pricing is a little high, I think. My own computation is it's close to like 30 times PE, but it's priced like this because there is a public demand for IPOs at whatever price. So well, 230 absolute price, okay, relative price a little high.
Meanwhile, the SEC has cleared the public offerings of Citicorp, Energy REIT Corp, Figaro Coffee Group, and Arthaland. Do you think any of these would excite the market more than others?
Maybe the solar energy REIT might be interesting because it's the first energy REIT, first of its kind. Figaro, not so much. We don't really see too many Figaros around anymore. It doesn't seem to be in a growth path anymore. That's all. Artelan, I'm not familiar with that offering.
All right, looking forward to more information in the coming days. Joey Ross.
There
of
are
Eagle
more.
Equities.
Like I think
Yeah.
there's another solar Nueva Ecija
That's right.
IPO coming up also.
Hello guys, update ko lang guys sa Call Financial na pinagtitradean ko ng Philippines Stock Exchange Index. Dun sa Call Financial, kung gusto nyong matuto dito, i-search nyo lang tong Call Financial tapos mag-register kayo. Okay itong gamitin kasi ano siya sa Philippines, ano siya ng Bangko Sentral, kaya magandang mag ano dito trade. Ang tinitrade dito mga local gaya ng sa Jollibee, sa SM, yan ganyan. Mag-share ka sa kanila ito, tingnan nyo to guys, itong PSE index nya, ayan, tumaas yung ilang minuto lang yan. Kaya yung mga swing trader dyan, magaling kumikita talaga sila. Ako kasi hindi ako swing trader hold lang ako Inohold ko yung isang stocks, pagka tumaas siya, doon lang ako nagbebenta kasi hindi ko rin mabantayan every week lang ako nagbubukas kasi dito daling araw dapat gising ka na. Nung nakaraan nag-swing trader ako, mahirap kasi hindi mo makita yung ano ng market kasi magkaiba yung ano niya, magkaiba yung schedule ko sa Pinas tsaka dito sa Saudi. Pero okay lang, kaya sabi ko hold na lang muna ako. Tingnan ko yung portfolio kung ano nangyari sa kanya. Ito guys, ito yung portfolio ko. Meron ako stocks ng Nickel Asia Corporation. Bali ang ano niya, ito market price niya is 577, tapos yung average niya is 57255. Meron akong 300 share, tapos dito naman kay SM Prime Holding, ganun din, meron akong share na 100 share. Tumaas pala siya, biglang bumaba. Tingnan natin sa charting. CSM Prime 6 min. Tumaas pala siya. Tapos biglang bumaba ng 34. Oras to. Ngayon lang din. Ito. Kahapon. Tumaas siya kahapon. Nag 37 siya. Tapos ngayong ados bumaba. Kaya pagka swing trader ka dapat bantay ano ka din. Dito kasi sa paggaan ng stocks na i-hold mo siya or magsi-swing trading ka, dapat bantayin mo para kapag tumubo na benta ka agad. Ako kasi antay ako mataas yung mataas na ano, kasi hindi ko naman siya gaano nababantayan. Kasi nagte-trade din ako sa ibang platform gaya ng sa crypto tsaka sa US stock. Sa US stock nakasabay ako, gamit ko dun GoTrade tsaka Shari kasi gabi siya, pares gabi dito, konti lang yung diferensya ng oras. Sa Pinas kasi kailangan kong gumising ng maaga para makapag-trading na ngayon. Tingnan natin. Uy. Others din. Tumaas siyang konti. Kaya kung gusto nyo guys matuto dito sa Call Financial, download nyo lang to. Mag-search kayo na i-search nyo lang tong Call Financial Philippines. Tapos register kayo dun. Madali lang naman gamitin to. Kapag meron akong pan uli, turuan ko kayo paano mag-buy at tapos paano mag-load. Pakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko ginagawa. Thank you guys. Salamat sa panonood. Kita-kits na lang ulit.